Hey guys, I just want to do a quick review for you on this Black& Decker battery charger. I've had this thing for probably about 3 years now. I do all kinds of stuff. Sometimes I use this battery to power up like test LED lights that I'm testing for a project I'm working on, or I have various types of 12 volt things at my house, like different pumps and stuff that I use to hook up to this battery. But I needed a good way to charge it. So I found this charger here and I really liked it because it has the option. You'll see here it has a 6, hopefully you can see, you might not be able to see that far, but it has a 6 volt and a 12 volt option, which I have a 12 volt battery. And I also like that it's what is called like a slower, kind of like a trickle charge. So I like that it will never overcharge my battery. It charges up really slowly and it keeps the battery from going bad and losing its power. The cord is pretty long, probably 8 or 9 feet, I don't know. The listing probably says for sure, but it is a pretty long cord. And it comes with everything you'll need, right? So you'll see we have this end that's actually attached to the charger itself. And then it has this other end here that mounts right to the battery. So one cable is black, I have it mounted to the neutral side. And then the other part of the cable has like a red, has just kind of a red coating on it so you can know which one's negative or positive. So hook the one side to my negative, the other side to my positive. You simply, you can, I for the most part while I'm using it, I plug it in and I leave it plugged in. So you can see now that I plugged it into my battery, it's charging, it's blinking slowly. And that's just the indicator light to let me know that it is charging the battery. After it sits here for a while, the battery will be fully charged and this light will stop flashing. Then I'll know, okay, I have a fully charged battery. You can unplug it. Once I start to use it, the light will just start flashing again and slowly charging. So I might use it for a little while and then let it sit and I'll come back later and it'll be fully charged again. It does have these mounting holes on the back, so if you want to screw it to your wall. It does have an ETL certification. I am really happy with it. If I had to buy one again, I definitely would, but it's lasted me forever and it doesn't show any signs of slowing down now. So I think it's a really good product and I do recommend it.